Yes, you've just had the opportunity to meet our future game designers and developers. Look out for these young men. They're about to set this world on fire.
So if you have game, bring it. Welcome back to the Patriots Technology Training Center, home of the Patriots Esports League program. My name is Justin Graves, the Esports Program Director here, and I officially invite all of you to join us for our biggest event yet. Our March Madness Tournament and STEM Expo will take place on Saturday, March 22nd, 2022 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Registration is live right now on www.patriots-ttc.org, and we'll be broadcasting it right here on our YouTube channel for the whole world to watch. All of our tournaments are going to take place in person at 1441 McCormick Drive in Largo, Maryland. Once again, all of the tournaments are taking place in person at 1441 McCormick Drive, Largo, Maryland. In order to be eligible to compete, you have to be a 5th to 12th grader located in Washington, D.C., Maryland, or Virginia. From there, our student teams may choose to compete in one of 4 specific games. First up, for the high school audience, we have the hit esports title League of Legends, with teams of 2 to 4 players. Next up is some family-friendly fun and a smash hit title, literally speaking. We have Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, with teams of 1 to 4 players. Finally, to round it out, we have a little bit of sports titles. We have the Madden NFL franchise, with teams of 1 to 2 players. And finally, to celebrate March Madness in the first place, we have the NBA 2K franchise with teams of 1 to 2 players. Each tournament will have a bracket size of 10 teams, first come, first serve slots. The winning teams all will win gift cards for each of their team members. However, if you've been with the Patriots long enough, then you know that education and providing roadmaps to success is and always will be our first and most important priority. This is why our virtual STEM Expo is going to be larger than it ever has been. From 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., students can sign on to experience a day of question and answer panelists, interactive workshops to develop skills such as game development, animation, graphic design, entrepreneurship, coding, and more, and compete in Kahoot game shows with a chance to win electronic gift cards. In fact, for the first time ever, we're even going to introduce a virtual tournament. What is this going to take the form of? Well, it's going to take form in the free game of Cars Meet Soccer Rocket League. Students can form team sizes of 1 to 3 players to compete. We're going to have a middle school bracket with 10 team slots open, and a high school bracket with 10 team slots open. Ultimately, this is going to be one part of it you do not want to miss. Once again, this event takes place on Saturday, March 26th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our physical tournaments all take place at 1441 McCormick Drive, located in Largo, Maryland. Once again, only students from Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia areas can compete. However, our virtual expo will take place on our go-to-event platform, with links sent out a week beforehand. If you do wish to register, please be sure to visit our website, www.patriots-ttc.org. You can also give us a call at 301-925-9350, and we'll be sure to sign you up. Do be sure to do one thing though. Follow all of our social media accounts on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting important updates such as our guest speakers and more as we head closer to the event. Now then, this is your chance to be a part of something amazing.
Our future game designers and developers, experts in the STEM industry.
This is your chance to celebrate the history of esports and carve your future into it.
Can we bring to fall the giants? Can we bring to fall the giants?
Question is, are you going to be up to the challenge, or are you just going to sit by the sidelines? If you're up for a challenge, then I only have one question left for you. Do you have game? Bring it.
We are the ones to